Every Kia K5 begins with raw materials like copper and steel, essential for electrical circuits. High-precision components are brought in, ready for production. Structural metals are inspected and sorted before processing. Each electronic component is staged carefully for assembly. Battery cells are stored under strict conditions before integration.
Tray 7, all cells present.
Fasteners are organized meticulously for assembly efficiency. Plastic pellets are the foundation for every internal and external plastic component. With raw materials staged, the Kia K5 production moves into initial processing, ready for transformation. Materials arrive at the Kia K5 factory, ready to enter the production line. Trucks deliver raw materials directly to the storage and staging areas.
Clear on the left! Keep it steady!
Every shipment undergoes inspection to ensure accuracy and quality. Heavy materials are safely transferred using cranes, ensuring precise handling. The factory warehouse organizes materials efficiently for rapid access. Automated conveyors distribute materials to the appropriate processing lines. Robotic assistance handles heavier items, maintaining worker safety and efficiency. All entries are logged in real time to ensure production continuity. Forklifts maintain a constant flow of materials between entry points and storage. With materials safely inside, the Kia K5 factory is ready for initial processing and preparation. Structural steel sheets are precisely cut to form the Kia K5's internal frames. Plastic pellets are melted and prepared for molding into Kia K5 components. Copper coils are straightened to ensure accurate electrical connections in the Kia K5. Every printed circuit board is checked before entering assembly lines. Wiring harnesses undergo preliminary testing to guarantee functionality. Each plastic part is inspected before molding integration. Battery cells are sorted to match Kia K5 specifications precisely. Pre-drilling prepares the Kia K5's metal frames for smooth assembly. Boards are cleaned thoroughly to remove dust and contaminants before soldering. With initial processing complete, all Kia K5 components are ready for core manufacturing lines. Surface mount technology places electronic components onto the Kia K5 PCBs with precision. Aluminum panels are machined to exact specifications for the Kia K5's frame. Plastic components are molded and immediately moved forward for integration. Wire harnesses are crimped to ensure perfect electrical contact in the Kia K5. Battery modules are assembled meticulously to power every Kia K5 safely. Robotic welding ensures structural integrity for the Kia K5 chassis. Solder reflow permanently fixes all components onto Kia K5 circuit boards. Plastic parts are cooled immediately to maintain shape and durability. Harnesses are tested for reliability before integration into the Kia K5. Core manufacturing lines shape the essential components of the Kia K5, ready for precise assembly. The Kia K5's frame is carefully aligned for precise assembly. Battery modules are installed securely, forming the heart of the Kia K5's power system. Electrical harnesses connect every component of the Kia K5 for seamless operation. Interior components are assembled with precision for functionality and comfort. Electronics are installed carefully, ensuring the Kia K5 systems operate flawlessly. Suspension and wheels are integrated for stability and performance. Interior assemblies are installed for comfort and safety in the Kia K5. Exterior panels are mounted precisely for structural integrity and aesthetics. Automated inspection ensures every Kia K5 component is correctly installed. With assembly complete, the Kia K5 moves into advanced automation systems for further refinement. Robotic systems fine-tune every Kia K5 component with micron-level precision. High-tech lasers verify alignment for perfect assembly quality. Automated torque ensures every Kia K5 fastener is secured to specification. Vision systems detect even minor imperfections before the Kia K5 progresses. Automation guides wiring harnesses efficiently into each Kia K5. Battery systems are automatically connected for safety and reliability. Automated verification ensures every screw is installed perfectly. Interior systems are tested automatically for function and durability in each Kia K5. Surfaces are cleaned automatically, preparing the Kia K5 for precision finishing. High-tech automation systems refine each Kia K5, ready for final precision finishing and calibration. Robotic systems fine-tune every panel for perfect alignment on the Kia K5. Paint surfaces are inspected carefully to meet Kia K5 quality standards. Robots polish panels to achieve flawless finish on every Kia K5. Headlights are precisely calibrated for safety and performance. Advanced sensors are aligned to ensure accurate detection and assistance systems. Wheels and suspension are calibrated for optimal Kia K5 handling. Displays and controls are calibrated for perfect operation in each Kia K5. Doors and windows are tested for smooth function and precise fit. Final touches ensure every Kia K5 exterior is perfect before testing. Precision finishing and calibration prepare each Kia K5 for rigorous quality control. Each Kia K5 undergoes dimensional checks to verify structural accuracy. All electrical systems are tested for reliability and safety. Battery performance is verified under simulated load conditions. Wheel and suspension alignment is verified for safety and handling. Brake systems are rigorously tested to meet Kia K5 safety standards. Automated inspection detects surface defects before final clearance. Functional simulations replicate real driving conditions to ensure Kia K5 readiness. Quality control confirms that every Kia K5 meets the highest standards before final dispatch. Each Kia K5 is protected with films to prevent scratches during handling. Shipping frames are installed to secure each Kia K5 for logistics. Pallets are transported carefully into warehouse storage zones. Finished Kia K5 units are stored efficiently, ready for dispatch. Final inventory ensures every Kia K5 is accounted for before shipping. Finished Kia K5 units are loaded for delivery to dealerships worldwide. Each Kia K5 begins its journey from factory to customer. Packaging, storage, and dispatch complete the final steps before Kia K5 reaches its destination. Finished Kia K5 units arrive safely at dealership locations. Pallets are carefully unloaded, ready for final inspection before showroom display.